dissect a nigga like science. Put an end to your world like the Mayans. It's a celebration, bitches. Mazel tov. It's a slim chance I fall. Oliver, don't you be the name or ask me how I got it. I'm killing these hoes. I swear I'm trying to stop the violence. All I care about is money and the city that I'm from. I'ma sip until I feel it. I'ma smoke until it's done. I don't really give a fuck, and my excuse is that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should've told you I'm on one. Yeah, I'm alive.